Move over taco salad. This egg roll in a bowl recipe is faster than takeout and deliciously inspired by Martin Yan. There's an episode of PBS's Yan Can Cook from the 80s when Martin Yan toured an egg roll facility that cranked out 6,000 egg rolls an hour. Now, I am not that fast, but I promise you that this remixed egg roll recipe comes together in just 15 minutes. Let's start with these egg roll wrappers. To make the crunchy bits for the salad, I've brushed the bottom of this pan with veggie oil, laid in the wrappers, and then brushed with more oil. I'm using small dishes to make crispy bowls. I've just brushed them with vegetable oil and nestled in the wrappers. Both are going into a 350-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes. This entire dish comes together while those bake. So my pan is hot and in goes 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Now, this is a pick your protein kind of moment. You can do ground turkey, you can do ground chicken, even ground beef, but I am gonna do crumbled tempeh. The cooking goes lickety-split, so here's what I've prepared. 4 green onions sliced, the whites are for cooking, the greens are for garnish, 2 teaspoons of freshly grated ginger, and a clove of chopped garlic. I can really smell that sesame oil, so that's my cue to get all of these aromatics in here. And let me tell you, this is what I imagine Martin Yan's kitchen smells like. It smells absolutely wonderful. So 2 tablespoons of soy sauce is also gonna go in here, and you're gonna wanna cook this until your protein is lightly browned. Cabbage and carrots are a must for egg rolls, and to keep this convenient, I'm throwing in a 15-ounce bag of coleslaw mix. Then a 5-ounce can of bamboo shoots go in with another 2 tablespoons of soy. Cook this for another 3 or 4 minutes just until that cabbage wilts. And then the very last ingredient that goes in is another tablespoon of sesame oil. And then what you're gonna wanna do is just turn off the heat. Now this is all perfect timing because our egg roll wrappers are out of the oven and they're nice and crispy. And what we wanna do here is just break them into little pieces and toss them into our mixture. Once the crispy bowls are cool, heap everything in. Top with sesame seeds, green onions, and maybe some hoisin sauce. Martin Yan ended all of his shows with his catchphrase, "If Yan can cook, so can you." So I say, if Yan can make egg rolls, you can make egg rolls in a bowl.